Okay, that's that. Let's look at this one.
No, that's good.
Yep.
So the queen's bed is like up there.
That queen is below.
Oh.
So let's look at this piece. So we got an observation window. Has a little plastic cover on it. Doesn't get scratched up. Put it right in here. Okay.
Oh yeah, now he never it.
Yeah. Hey, remember that one from the light, huh?
Yeah, because like I didn't really realize it was what I was called because I had down it, and now I know what it is.
Okay. Then here are the screws for the observation window. So it's going to be the really small ones. I'll help screw them in here real quick. You should probably do these by hand because you want to crack the window. The screws and what? Okay, that's it. Now we can put this little panel on here. Let's see, it's going to be that.
And then you get one of these doors.
Handles, here look.
Handles. I don't remember saying the words on there.
No, it's new.
Oh.
What does it say?
I can't really read.
Flow Founding Supporter.
2015.
2015. That means that you're special.
Yeah, I can't really read funny line, but
Alright.
I'm fine.
Okay, look. So we're going to do the same thing. That box. So we have to figure out which is the front and which is the back. So the front of the hive is flat like this, and the back has a little notch. So the back is where you have these parts.
Yep.
And you'll know because it has the little notch and it only has pre-drill holes.
And it has the doors?
It has the door.
Yeah.
How about that? Okay. And this goes like this.
Well, so there's a handle there. I thought there was a handle there.
Handle? Yeah, we'll put it in. Okay, there we go. We'll just set it here for now. We'll screw it all together in a bit. Alright, so what do we got left? We have the frames, which you can do later. All that. This one will have to do this metal bit at the bottom here also. And
So that's for showing these.
yep, and now the roof. Let's look at the roof. So we've got end bits, and you can see that's the angle. So you would know by looking at these end pieces, which is the direction for it.
So it's like a triangle shape.
It's a triangle. It's a gabled roof. So you can see, okay, how does this go together? Okay, well this is going to be the back, because it is raised up. And this is the front. So the front.
It needs to be squeezed.
Needs to be screwed in.
And
not dropped.
yeah. And especially not dropped on last time.
Especially not dropping my toe.
Yeah.
That's it. Look. How about that?
Good.
So let's screw that together real quick. Roof screw kit. Here are the roof screws.
I remember the doors being, not the doors, I remember the being ledge and the version.
Yeah. So you just put the screw right here in this hole and make sure everything is lined up. Because this is where you want it to be flush, right at the top. And straight. You want help?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Okay. Now this one. Let me help you here because that one's going to take a little bit of extra effort. So just make sure this is the bit. You just want to make sure this is right up here to the top, like right there, on both sides. Where do you go?
You see?
You're like everything else.
Yeah. In 1 second, what do you do?
Okay, so this side, look. This side, you want to do the same thing. You want to lift it up so that it lines up, so that's flush with this. See, okay, so right here?
Yep.
You know what I mean by flush? So that's even, because the shingle is going to sit on top of those pieces. So you want the shingle to sit on top and not be moving around or much space. That's what you want to do. That's what they call flush.
Is that supposed to be in that one?
No, it's a different screw.
Oh yeah, it doesn't.
You don't have to just continue to record. You can stop and move around and record from another angle. That's what it is about a videographer. It's not just holding the phone. What you can do is stop. What you do is stop recording. Now what we're doing right now is just screwing the screw. It's not that interesting, but maybe you could.
So do I just like? Okay, I posted it. Wait.
Well, fine. Look around and find something interesting to film.
Yeah. This is my foot.
No, that's not. That's ridiculous.
This is my knee. Look at my knee. This is a swimming pool. Swimming pool. This is the inside of a flow hive. If you look inside it, you can see flow hives. What if we do this?
Just be careful because it's just barely held together.
If we do that.
Don't push on that. Look.
Take this.
Okay. So it's flush here and it's flush here. Okay, Brooke, you can start filming now if you want. Okay. So, which direction do you want it to go? Well, you want it to go, you want the water to come off. So you would say like that.
And then we get another of these.
Yeah.
And then we put it on the opposite side.
And the other side too. Old roof. Alright, there's a trick here is you don't put your screws all the way in. Put the screws only in enough, just a couple of them, so they poke out of the bottom, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just enough to poke out of the bottom. What you're going to do is you're going to locate that screw onto this piece.